Good day. Assignment my shopping list. Present with Janet, Wendy Janet Paez Castro. Your friend. Hello, let's make and read. It's due of me 4 days. We shall do it. My recipe ingredients. Um, of me for stew can be brisk. 2 large sweet onions. 4 medium potatoes. 2 carrots, 2 or 3 laurel, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, meat or what brook. Please get in the corner of Raymond. There are walls I book and you will find the greengrocer where you will buy the vegetables. When you go to right, there are walls, 2 books, and the work free from the brothers shop. There you will buy the bed already with all the ingredients we will cook. Let's go. Steps. Heat water in it boils with a light oil that covers the broth of the pot well with the 2 garlics. Then we put to fry the meat and rice, keeping all the time with a spatula so that it does not stick. Then in other fruit, you are going to they put the onion cut into quarters, moving all the time so that it does not in. Add a handful of salt and let unit it is transparent and add the work peeled potatoes, moving them all the time. After that, when everything is covered, you put the meat back and the mayonnaise and the wing if you are going to add it and complete with broth or whether unit you have everything covered and leave it on the fire to make it slow. 1 hour of two super right take advantage. Thank you.